Hello guys, welcome to another video on Know It Now, and on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to boost audiomack stream. First thing first, just go to any of your search browser and search www.growbetter.net. Once you search it, it will bring you to this space. As a first timer, this is how the website is going to display. Growbetter.net is a website where you boost all your social media services like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Telegram, audiomack, and other social media apps. And on this video, as I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you guys how to boost audiomack streams. First thing first, you have to have an account with growbetter.net, and the second thing is you have to have fun on your account before you make any order on this website. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to sign up on growbetter.net. It is very easy and simple. Following these few steps I'm about to show you, all you have to do is click on the sign up button. It will bring you to this place where you'll be asked to create a username, input your email, create a password, and confirm password. Once you have filled in all these details, you click on I'm not a robot. Once you click on I'm not a robot, you click on sign up. It is that easy and simple to create an account with growbetter.net. I have an account already. All I have to do is input my details and sign in. Once you're signed in, to bring you to this space, this is how the website looks like on the inside. Note, as I said earlier, this website is not free. First thing first, you have to have an account with growbetter.net, and the second thing is you have to have fund on your account before you make any order on the website. If you don't have any money on your account, your order is not going to go through if you make any order. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to add fund. It is very easy and simple to add fund on growbetter.net. All you have to do is click on the three buttons here. It will bring you to this space. You see add fund right there. You click on add fund. It will bring you to this space where you see method and amount. Your method is already on Flutterwave. You leave it as it is. And under amount, all you have to do is input any amount you want to add from 1,000 above. And for the purpose of this video, I'm adding 1,000. Once you click on your amount, you click on done. Once you have input your amount, you click on pay. Once you click on pay, it will bring you to this space where you'll be asked to enter card details to pay. But due to the fact that people don't like inputting their card details online these days, Growbetter has made it easy by providing other payment method. All you have to do is click on change payment method. It will bring more payment options for you to pick from. To see more payment options, you click on see all payment options, you click on it. It will bring more payment method for you to pick from. All you have to do is pick any one of your choice. Follow the few steps you'll be shown and add fund. It is that easy and simple to add fund on growbetter.net. Let's get right into the video. Under category, you click on this arrow. You see audiomack services there, as you can see right there. You click on it. Under service, you click on this arrow. You have varieties of services there, as you can see. Varieties of audiomack streams, as you can see right there. You just pick any one of your choice. If it's audiomack USA, if it's audiomack stream Canada, if it's audiomack UK, France, Germany, Ghana, Egypt, and South Africa. You just pick any one of your choice. But I'm picking the first audiomack streams right there. You click on it. Then under this link and quantity, on this link you have to input the song link, and under this quantity you have to input the amount of streams you want to get. I've copied my link before the start of this video. All you have to do is input your link. Once you have input your link, you come to this quantity and input the amount of streams you want to get, and you click on done. Once you have input your correct song link and the amount of streams you want to get, all you have to do is click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will see a notification display on your screen that your order has been received, and it is that simple and easy to boost audiomack streams. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more relatable videos, and if it's your first time coming across Know It Now, don't forget to kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification for more videos, and if you are subscribed, don't forget to kindly like the video, share, and drop a comment. Thank you, and God bless you.